Hello guys, welcome to the channel AirDrop Insights, where I teach people how to earn from AirDrop, testnets, mainnets, and much more. The main thing that I explain everything in simple and understandable language. Today we're going to talk about Taiko project, which as you can see already raised 22 millions from top investors such as Sequoia Capital, KuCoin Ventures, OKEx Ventures, and some others as you can see. So the purpose is to allow developers and users of dApps developed for Ethereum L1 to be used on Taiko without any change. As a result, dApps can be easily deployed to L2, inheriting Ethereum security while incurring lower transaction fees than on L1. If you have a question, if it's not too late to start, no, it's not too late to start. You can start from this stage. And the new stage is called ALPHA-4, where developers have created an additional third layer that deploys over the previous Taiko layer, allowing for even greater scalability. If you would like to read more about this, you can visit their official website where all of the main aspects are mentioned and all of the recent news about the project. So in this video, we will properly set up our wallets and all the necessary tokens and networks, use bridges, swaps, liquidity pools, and deploy several smart contracts across different network levels. So as you know, I prepared on my Patreon channel all of the steps that needs to be done. So you just will need to click on links and repeat the same as I will do in video. So subscribe to the channel and hit the like button on this video if you haven't already done this. Let's get started. Guys, our next step would be to add networks to our MetaMask wallet. So the first and the easiest way would be to go with the first link, clicking on this button, copy the link address. You'll be directed to this website where you could see a change to your wallet. So I have already added them before to my wallet, so I will have a bit different process, but you could repeat after me and you will easily add them to your wallet. So you need to click connect to Sepolia. You will hit here approve. You clicking approve and switch network. Going to the second one. Same here, approving, switching network. Going to the third one. Also, we'll need to add tokens to our wallet. So also, I have already added them before to my wallet, but you could repeat after me and you will add them easily. Click add Sepolia tokens. Add token. Approving everything. Going to the second one. Same steps. Going to the third one. Done. Also important moment, if you will not be able to add networks with the step that I just showed to you, you could use the second link, copy link address. You will be directed to chain list website. You type here Taiko and clicking here connect wallet. It will be added to your MetaMask wallet. Same here, connect wallet, adding to your MetaMask wallet. Guys, our next step would be to getting test Ethereum Sepolia tokens from a number of faucets. So the easiest way would be go to the with the second link, but if it doesn't work, you can try all of these ones. So we'll proceed with the second one, copy the link address, going to this website. So as you can see, I have already logged in. If you don't have here account, you will need to log in. You will have two options. You could proceed with your Google account or you will need to sign up. The easiest one would be to proceed with the Google account. So after you signed in, you're going to the MetaMask, copying your wallet address, clicking here, uh, clicking that you're not robot, doing the captcha, stairs, done. Afterwards, you can click send me Ethereum. If you see the same picture as me, it means that everything is done correctly. It could be different color, but the main thing that you will have something similar to this one. Okay, it's done. Now we can go to the second step is we need to get our horse and bull tokens. So we need to click here, copy the link address, going here. As you can see, my wallet is already connected. You will have something like this. You will need to connect wallet, MetaMask wallet, connected. So here you will need to select bull token, mint bull token. I will repeat, this is a test network. It's everything free. So just click confirm. The next token is horse token, mint horse token. Same, everything is free. Just click confirm and the token will be sent to your address. If you can see such window here, it means that everything is done correctly. Guys, our next step, number 4, will be transferring tokens from Sepolia network to Taiko layer 2. So we will need to go by this link, copying the link address, going to this website, connecting your MetaMask wallet. It's connected. It's important to notice that on the left it should be Sepolia, on the right Taiko. As well here Sepolia, and in your MetaMask wallet it should be also Sepolia. If you don't see your Sepolia network here, it's because you didn't switch on show test networks. If you will switch it on, you will see it. So most of you have the balance of 0.5 Ethereum that we got from the previous step. I got a bit less because of my previous transfers, so I offer you to transfer half of it. So you will transfer 0.25. In my case, I will transfer 0.10. We click bridge, confirm. We can see this window. It means that the transaction has been started. This transaction is from my previous so you can see that our transaction is in status pending. Later it will be changed to claimed. It will change by itself. We don't need to do anything. So the next step that we will need to do is to choose our bull token and also transfer half of it. You also have 50 bull tokens that we got from previous steps, so I offer to transfer half of it. I already approved it. Firstly, you will need to click approved and confirm it in your MetaMask wallet. I already just need to click bridge. I'm bridging. If you can see such notification here, you need to click until it will proceed. You click confirm. You can see that the transaction being already started. Same, it will appear here. As you can see, our previous transactions status changed to claimed. We don't need to wait until the transaction will finish. We can go to the next step and transfer the horse token. As you can see, our previous transaction already transferred, succeeded. So now we click horse token. Also, we have 50 horse tokens. We click half of it. Click approve token, click max, approve. Same, waiting until the bridge button will be available. Usually it doesn't take a lot of time, maybe a few minutes. Now we can see that the button bridge is available. We click bridge, confirm, and yeah, and our transaction will also appear here. So you can see that this button is, you can click on this button claim. There is no need to click on this button. It will change to claimed, maybe 5-10 minutes. Yeah, you can see that our recent transaction of first tokens appeared here. So it means that everything is done correctly. And same as I told you previously, this changed to claimed. Our next step would be number 5. We'll need to transfer from L2 to L3. So copy the link address, going to the website, connecting your wallet, MetaMask wallet, the wallet connected. It's important that you have here L2. Also in your MetaMask wallet, it also should be Taiko L2. So you will have here a different balance. It doesn't matter. Transfer half of your current balance. So I have here 0.05, so I will transfer 0.025. I click bridge, confirm, and we'll need to wait until our transaction will appear here. This is my previous transaction, so don't pay attention to it. Sometimes it could be faster, sometimes longer. It all dependent on the how busy the test network is. So more likely at the moment it's busy because usually those transactions are going much faster. So as you can see, our transaction already appeared here. Uh, in some time it will change the status to claimed by itself, so no worries about that. The next step, what we need to do is to transfer the bull tokens. So most of you have also 25 bull tokens here. I also suggest to transfer half of it. I will transfer 12. So we need to click approve token, click max, next, approve. Also waiting until our transaction will appear here. As you can see here, currently our transaction is in pending status. So we can see that the bridge button is available. Click bridge button, confirm. Waiting until our transaction will appear here. As you can see, our transaction appeared here. It means that everything was done correctly. So the next step would be to do the same with Hearst token. So also you have more likely here 25 Hearst token. I also suggest to transfer half of it. We need to approve the token. Click max, next, approve, and waiting until the button bridge will be available. Now we can see that the bridge button is available. Click bridge. Don't pay attention to these gas fees. It's a test network. It's everything free. Also, when the transaction will be finished, it will appear here, and it means that everything was done correctly. There is no need to wait until it will actually finish, because in 99% of the cases it's successfully finished. Our next step would be number 6, where we need to test the swap and add some liquidity. So click on this button, copy the link address, going to this website. Need to connect your MetaMask wallet. As you can see, it's already connected. It's important to notice that we should have in our MetaMask wallet Taiko L2. Here we could click bull token, and here we could click horse token. So we could transfer approximately 1/3 of the current balance. I would transfer 3 tokens, approve bull token, max, next, approve, waiting until this will be approved. As I told before, because the network seems to be very busy, it could take sometimes longer than expected. But as you can see, we have here window which says that the bull token was approved. Now we can click swap, confirm swap, confirm, close. As soon as the transaction will be succeeded, you will notice that your balance of bull tokens will decrease and hers tokens will increase. So our next step would be to add liquidity. So we'll need to go to the pool, add liquidity, and the first input should be Ethereum, and the second could be horse or bull token. I will choose, for example, hers, and I would suggest to put half of your current balance. As you can see, we don't have enough first tokens. It means that it would be better to choose here, for example, 3 first tokens, and it will automatically choose the needed amount of testing Ethereum. So approving first token, click max, next, approve, waiting until it will be approved. Approve first token, click max, approve, supply, confirm supply. Close. As soon as transaction will be succeeded, you will see here our liquidity. So we need to wait until it will appear here, because our next step would be to remove some part of the liquidity. So as you can see, both of the transactions were succeeded. We can click here and remove liquidity. I would suggest to remove approximately 25%. Approve, sign, remove, confirm, confirm, close. That's it. There is no need to wait until it will be finished. We could go to our next step. Guys, our next step would be deploying a smart contract. So you can click on the last link in my Patreon channel, deploying a smart contract. Copy the link. We'll be directed to this website where we'll need to deploy a contract. So the first step, what we'll need to do is to click contracts, storage, and afterwards we need to click on this button, Solidity Compiler. You could choose one of the last um, versions. I would suggest never choose the last versions. It's better to choose, for example, 19. We are waiting until this button will be blue. Afterwards, clicking on this button, we see a green arrow here. It means that everything was done successfully. Afterwards, we're going to the next step, deploy and run transaction. So here in the environment, we need to change it to injector provider MetaMask. It's very important. Also, guys, you need to be sure that in your MetaMask wallet, it's selected Taiko L2. It's very important. So after we have chosen injected provider MetaMask, we need to check that it's your wallet connected. And afterwards, we just need to click deploy. It will be directed to your MetaMask wallet. You click confirm, and we need to wait maybe a few minutes until we'll receive here notifications that the contract was deployed. As you can see, now we have a green arrow, which means that everything was done successfully. Also, another way to check it is to go to your MetaMask, click activity, and check if there is a contract deployment. If you have everything the same as me, it means that everything was done correct and successfully. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as my Patreon channel. I will post there new testnets, mainnets, and other ways how it's easily with a low budget to earn some additional income. Thank you guys.